Ned Nwoko no know wetin im use im head go buy. E think say na the one wey im dey do to im other wives dem na im go carry come where Regina Daniel dey. But e no know say power pass power. My beautiful and amazing people, wonders dey say e shall never end. Tori don wowo. Ned Nwoko that was expecting that Regina Daniel by now will come and beg and publicly apologize to him with all the power wey im don use both to arrest her family member her mother, her brother. He wan arrest everybody so that by the time wey Regina Daniel dey incapacitated, she no get help and she no get where to go. She no go know but to return back and come and apologize. But at the end of the day, the reverse was now the case. All in effort to bring Regina Daniel back to him and for her to come publicly apologize to am, all became in vain. Now, e no get choice but to dey go from one media house or the other, dey go dey explain himself wey e no be task force chairman, dey go dey explain about force up and down sotey you go political meeting go dey discuss about Regina Daniel. That is how frustrating the whole thing seems. That is how frustrating the whole thing dey be to Ned Nwoko at this point. My people, no be small thing o. You know say when this drama between Ned Nwoko start, dem bin talk say e get one person wey Regina Daniel dey with, wey be say e even get money pass Ned Nwoko. E get influence and im go fund Regina Daniel lifestyle well. Say e get money pass Ned Nwoko. When QT Juice, comrade blogger, bin talk that thing, people no believe. But only God know how Ned Nwoko take sweet talk the Regina Daniel and im mama wey make Regina choose Ned Nwoko over that man. Because according to QT Juice, she say that man ready to give Regina Daniel everything wey she ever wanted. Anything at all wey Regina want, im ready to give Regina Daniel. But according to wetin dem come talk now, say dem no know wetin Ned Nwoko take turn Regina Daniel head, turn im mama head to show say stop, something is still wrong somewhere. Say maybe Ipa get one or two wey im dey take rub mouth before im talk to person. Because if no be so, how small small fine fine beautiful girls like this go leave fine fine cute cute handsome men wey get money go come dey follow Ipa like am? E no dey strange to una? Now, all the evidences wey Ned Nwoko say im get against Regina, imagine when husband and wife dey together, husband comot based on husband and wife things. Wife go say, she don miss her husband, my husband comot. Husband go say, I miss you too, can you send me a video of yourself? Wife carry video send for man, send for im husband husband of im youth. At the end of the day, the man gather am, come keep am, wan use am against her. No be juju be that. My people, they say na all these things na im make Regina Daniel by herself. You know say when you wan render somebody useless, when you wan render person evidence useless, so that by the time before the person go come talk am, make by yourself, make you report yourself. By the time wey the person go come report you now, they go come say, we don already know now, she don already tell us. Una remember when Regina Daniel bin come out come talk say she just pray make her Nakademus video no come out on the media space. Say she no pray, but even if Ned Nwoko is always far ahead of her, no problem. She be don already come give us leakage say an Nakademus video dey with Ned Nwoko and Ned Nwoko dey use am against her. He wan use am bring her down. So that by the time wey im carry that one come, he go come use am under the influence say Regina Daniel, anytime wey she high, she dey on things and things, na im she dey do the Nakademus video. Whereas na im dey ask Regina Daniel anytime wey e no dey around, wey be say im go political meeting and all. And Regina dey do all those things in order to keep him as a man, make him no marry another woman join her, or make she just satisfy am, make e no look outside. Na im make this man come gather am, wan use am against her. Now, for court dey say Ned Nwoko come talk say im get so many evidence including the CCTV camera, the footage of that hotel. Una know say as im bin go that hotel go do political meeting wey dem call am make im come do, wey im start dey talk about Regina. He talk say he's a lawyer, a practicing one, he has so many evidence, he has so many things, he will stand, he will this, he will that. Say im don go tell the hotel make dem bring out CCTV camera of the place, and na im e wan take do evidence to show say Regina dey into druggy, she and her friend dem Phyna dem dey really scatter place, dem say this, they say that, so that im go still use am against her. All the evidences wey im dey gather dey give court just to use am bring Regina Daniel down. Dey say on a low, dey dey scatter am for im hand. If im carry am come, dey go tell am say no now, this one na you and your wife now, we cannot work on this one. If im bring am, they no even the judge and the people in charge, they no dey even bother to watch am. They go just tell am say no now, this one na husband and wife matter. Una know say as Sowore don come expose all those police wey Ned Nwoko dey use, all the police, the corrupt police dem wey im dey use, all of them now they don know, talk say everybody now know say im dey use police dey oppress people. So as such, as they don know im secret, they don know everything finish. Then the police ma dem wan wash their hand comot, because people at the top now, all eyes on those police wey dem dey Abuja command, all eyes on them. Dem kuma, in order not to implicate themselves, because if dem pursue dem for work, Ned Nwoko no go employ dem, pay dem o. Na im dem too dey take side, dey draw theirself comot for the case, because they no want anyone wey go involve. Because at this point, they say that man, he no reveal himself o, he no show himself o, but im dey make sure say im tarnish, he scatter every plan wey Ned Nwoko dey carry come against Regina Daniel. As e dey bring am, the man dey go report to am, because according to wetin we hear, say the man even get influence pass Ned Nwoko. And as e get influence pass am, im don even catapult people already, report them go all these places wey Ned Nwoko might likely use to take achieve im aim in bringing Regina Daniel down. So the more wey those people im dey carry evidences, dey go dey give them, the more they dey call the man, that man at the top. Even Ned Nwoko no know the man, because he no make himself, anonymous in a way that nobody will even know that underground na him dey do am. Now Ned Nwoko, he no even know wetin he go do, whether na to stoop so low, because you know say pride wan finish am. As old as he is, he no wan use his sense. According to Etinosa, wey be popular Nollywood actress, Regina Daniel colleague dem, you know say some of them dey fear to talk to the man, they dey fear to tell am something. This one come out with her full chest after that interview wey im go. No be interview e go, na political talk na im go for. Na im Ned Nwoko go use am turn am to Regina Daniel topic. Na im she come out, she say, the more you try to embarrass the mother of your children, the more you embarrass yourself. Don't you know? Look at Nigerian senator. In this trying time in Nigeria, is this your top priority? At your old age, you don't know how to manage your marital affairs. Carry microphone, sir. The shame hide me for Oluwanaira's bathroom. Twa. She can't go further. She say, Regina, Regina, Regina. Now, wow. Try move on. Single father, this is very childish and totally uncalled for. Na how she take come drop am be that o, because all her colleagues dem, everybody dey fear, they no want Ned Nwoko wahala o, because im sabi arrest, he sabi arrest, they no want any drama from am, so they no want put mouth. But Etinosa chest am o, say no, this your thing wey you dey do so is so childish. As a matured man of 60-something years old, you no know how to bring your family together and take your marital affairs out of social media, take your drama out of social media. This woman na the mother of your children. What if tomorrow your children can't grow, can't they see all these things where they talk about their mother? Which eye you want make these children take see you? And if they forget, say social media, no, they forget. Now you will do, now you they forget. It just be like person will go shit for church. church no go forget who pack am, but you see who shit am if you don't forget. And the swear wey go dey for that person head, they no fit ever forget am. You understand as e dey be. So like this, so my people, e choke o. Ned Nwoko just dey frustrated because of him pride and ego. You no even know whether na to go beg Mama Regina now or na to beg the Regina because they dey frustrate am for everywhere, every angle. Regina, she get God. Dat girl na really star. Dat girl na light. Dat girl, the thing wey she represent, even Ned Nwoko never believe it. He was thinking na other of him wives wey im dey use power, dey use implication, dey take dey scatter dem. Then kuma dey go say, they no want to, they go enter house. You no know say Regina Daniel case, she is indeed a child of grace. People man want to even help Regina. Na Regina now na no even gree. Because the people at the top, like Mercy Johnson, her husband still dey into politics. E get one or two persons wey they go meet, wey go also dey scatter the plan for her. And other top people wey be say dem dey on a low, dey fight this case for Regina Daniel. Apart from that man, but they say, that man, he really get influence. So that man power long from here to Jamaica. Say immediately Ned Nwoko dey carry and they come. Say na like this, so na him wan do am o. Anybody wey him carry and give, the person go say no. This one a family matter na. Haba Ned Nwoko, you are not supposed to do this. Before, I didn't mean no be like that. If you no do one like this, Ned Nwoko go carry all evidence, go give them. You know understand? They will come use am, bring Regina Daniel down. If possible, they go tarnish her image, come lock her up for that matter, come carry NDLEA, come arrest her, say she dey into druggy, say see wetin she dey constitute for the society, that it is not a good one. They will come jack her by fire by force, go rehab. You know get? But as if they do am, the people wey dey at the top, they scatter am for am. They go tell her say, oga, na family problem be this one. It is finally over for Ned Nwoko. We don talk am say Ned don meet in Waterloo, say na Regina na be the karma wey dey set for am. People think say na joke. Now see where e don dey land and go. Everybody no even want put im hand for inside Ned Nwoko matter again. Na only you say you get evidence. Na only you dey carry am go. Na only you dey carry am come. Now they don kuku scatter am for you. Say see am na, see as e be, see as e be. You go enter house, abi you no go enter house. You go settle your, even people wey be dey respect am, wey no wan come out come talk before. Now they don dey put am for im body, they don dey drag am like undone goat meat. Im reputation, im mouth, im as a senator, wey be say respect wey dey dish to them no be here own. They don dey give am as e dey hot. They don comot respect keep for one corner. They disgrace am for everywhere. Anywhere wey im just go post something now, they go drag am like say tomorrow no dey. Because this woman na woman wey you marry for 7 years. You guys are cool. You are good to go. Only say she no want again. You can't dey call her names. They do so many things. They call evidence, carry the things wey una share together for the other room. They use and won't bring her down. Who does that? All thanks to this man. This man wey hide, wey disguise himself, wey dey on a low. They fight for Regina. May God bless you. Your own no go ever spoil by the special grace of God. Regina go get this justice which she deserve. Guys, now the matter be this. So I remain your humble girl gifted gist. Now me they bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they will notify you anytime we drop latest, we won't get to read like this. Bye for now.